Hi there, this is Jay with Web App Zero, and this video introduces the concept of half-screen training. Have you ever noticed that many programming videos needlessly take up the entire screen of your laptop or computer? Imagine videos which only take up half the screen, allowing you to easily follow the steps in the video right on your local system, playing, pausing, rewinding the video as desired, all while inside the comfort and familiarity of your favorite text editor or programming environment. Imagine being able to focus deeply on a lesson's content rather than on switching back and forth between your video tutorial and text editor. Good news, you don't have to imagine it. Half-screen training is the solution we've been waiting for, and it's freely available to instructors and learners the world over. What exactly is half-screen training? Half-screen training is really just a set of conventions and practices adhered to by the people who produce the half-screen videos and also by those who watch the videos. Let's look at an example video to get the full picture. First, I'm going to copy the URL of a video that I'd like to watch. Next, I'll open the VLC video player on my local system. Then, in VLC, I'll click on the File menu, then open Network, and paste in the video's URL into the URL field, and then click on Open. Next, I'll put this video into full screen mode. I can control the playback of the video with a globally registered set of keyboard shortcuts. But first, because this video is demonstrating Dr. Racket, which is a beginner-friendly programming environment, I want to open Dr. Racket on my local system. So let me get Dr. Racket open. And let me move Dr. Racket over to the right-hand side of my screen. Actually, before I perform the demonstration, let me jump ahead by fast-forwarding the video to an interesting spot. And let's get back into Dr. Racket. Now that I have Dr. Racket set up on my system, identically to the instructor, I'll go ahead and demonstrate using a keyboard shortcut to play the video while remaining inside of my own version of Dr. Racket. So let's go ahead and do that now. In the image library software. And now, down below in the interactions area, I can issue functions which are in the image library. So, cool, I just made a circle that's size 100. Okay, and after I got done making the circle, just like the instructor did, I was also able to pause the video with a keyboard shortcut. I can also rewind the video to a configurable distance back in time. So I have it set to 10 seconds. I find that to be just about right. Sometimes you're watching a video and you want to hear what was just said again, and it's nice just to be able to back up a little bit. And I can issue that command twice if I want to go back 20 seconds, for example. So I'll play the video and then I'll demonstrate rewinding it for you real quick. Solid and blue, which are in the image library. So cool, I just made a circle. And now I have the video paused again, and I think this demonstrates how useful this is. I'd like to point out that this control is also possible from within Emacs, Vim, Terminal, IntelliJ, or any other text editor or application. It works for controlling online streaming videos found at YouTube, Vimeo, and elsewhere. It works for videos on your local system, and of course, it works for full screen videos too, which is good because sometimes you actually do need the full screen to make your point. In which case, the learner can revert to using the normal methods of switching between applications, typically by pressing the Super and Tab keys simultaneously. I'll provide links to instructions on how to get half-screen training set up on your system at the end of this video. In closing, why is half-screen training an important innovation? Enhancing focus enhances learning. It's just that simple. If you'd like to learn more about the inspiration behind the idea, please visit these sites: Learning How to Learn, Flow, The Secret to Happiness, and Deep Work. Well, that wraps up our video. Whether you're an instructor or a learner, you'll find the links included at the end of this video to get this set up on your local system. And you'll also find a link to an article with more about this idea and a survey where you can provide some feedback and have an impact on how we can continue to improve this idea. This is Jay with Web App Zero. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.